This is Sheikh Rashid bin Nasser Al Noaimi. I'm the Chief and CEO of Sheikh Rashid bin Nasser Advocate and Consultants Law Firm Office in Dubai. And we are also the law firm holding of Sheikh Abdul Hakim Ubaid Suhail Al Maktoum and his all companies investment in Dubai. And actually there is a leading award gonna be on 29 and 30th of June. I hope everybody visit us on this huge event gonna be. We are holding the law system of the situations of Sheikh Abdul Hakim Ubaid Suhail Al Maktoum, as we are his own law firm, legal office, and holding the whole of the business is gonna be under of that line. So I hope there is a huge